Hey, it's evening time, and I still wanted to come to you to say, if you're wanting to start a business, I'm going out tonight, right? And the attraction is, the intention for me going out is just to, mm, just say just imagine like all bubbles in the air. Just a bunch of bubbles in the air. Just a bunch of them. Just little bit, bitty ones, big ones, small ones. And you just wave your hand. And you just disrupt the bubbles. That's actually what I'm doing tonight. I'm disturbing the routine that I usually do. It's going out for a little while. But when I go out, I probably won't wear this shirt. See my shirt? Has my phone number up there. It has my bottle of oils and things like that. When I first started my business, that's what I was wearing. I was branding myself because I was shy. You could click the link at the bottom or maybe the video somewhere up here. I was shy when I first started my oil business. I had my table, a cloth on the table, and then I had one crate full of quality oil fragrances. All of them were quality. Black, white, Asian, just different people buying from me at my job. So I know that they were quality. And if they wasn't, people, when you know people, they tell you. They let you know, hey, this ain't it. This ain't what I want, you know? No, that was trash. You know what I mean? People that you know, well, with me, they tell you. So if you're selling oils and different things like that and you cannot make a sale, check the quality of them. Being honest, check the quality, because everybody's not gonna come up to you and tell you got a booger in your nose. They're not gonna do it. They don't have to, you know what I mean? Plus, they might not wanna hurt your feelings, but there's a lot of things that you can do. When I first started, I started with the air fresheners, with the bottles like this. And I still sell them in little bundles and groups. I don't bring everything online. For one, there's so many fragrances and I don't have them all on my website. I'm gonna change it around a little bit to make it a little easier and start giving like smaller packages too. Because one of my customers, she gave me an idea. She said she ordered some oils from online and they had like a variety. I mean, it is what it is. So maybe that'll work for me too. A variety, but the bottles are not so big and they're not like the normal sizes. So I'm gonna figure out something. But the business cheat sheet, put 5 on it and learn the simple things to get the mind rolling, because you have to attract anything. You could assume and decide, yeah, we all do. I have decided a lot of things that I don't do anymore, but you have to feed it with attraction and your words speaking out of your mouth and the people that you hang around. So that has a lot to do with it too. Fortunately for me, people were buying from me at my job and they were telling me the nitty gritty about my product. So that's really what matters. But anyway, like I said, I'm going out tonight. I'm not gonna wear this shirt. But if I was young in my business and somebody wanted to take me out, like back in the day, you know, when I was drinking and different things, I don't drink alcohol, by the way, or any of that, but I used to get my party on. I just got tired of it or whatever. And I had, a couple of DUIs. That don't mean anything either, because people that had DUIs and was at the hotels with me and different things, you know, like to do, clear yourself so you can go back to work. To this day, they still drink, and that's okay. I don't, and that's okay too. So, yeah, I wouldn't wear this tonight, but if I was young in my business and it's okay, I would have all kinds of apparel about what I do. And once I have the fragrances, I would start wearing them. I used to say, spray it, don't say it. You know what I mean? I got that from a powerful coach. Spray it, don't say it. And I don't have to say much. You know what I mean? So there's different techniques. I have audios and things that I've done. You could click down. What is business? First of all, if you're a beginner, what is business? Click the link below. It's a free audio just to see what business is. A quick audio just to let you know what it is. You have to put your email in. I'm trying to get fancy and stuff like that so I could contact you personally here on YouTube or off of YouTube. You know what I mean? We're gonna build a relationship if that's what you want. I'm here for it. Brand yourself. Get you a shirt. I mean, it might cost what? I don't think it's gonna be a lot. You could probably get one shirt, even if it's $30 or something dollars. What's that? It's $1 something a day, and to wear your shirt only for you that you could wear. If you're shy, start branding yourself. Start attracting exactly what you want by what you do, and especially by what you speak out of your mouth. The vibration, that, especially that. So I hope that helps you. Get your branded shirt. But I'm getting ready to take this off because I'm not wearing this. And it's not that I'm ashamed of it or anything. It's just I don't want to wear it. And thank goodness that I have finally be able to say that I don't have to anymore. The job is done. I've done my job. And by the way, standing outside is phenomenal. It's not just standing outside like a soldier anyway. You got your van or wherever, you know, you have your car or I started with a 240 Nissan. It was a sports car with a stick shift that I was blowing a breathalyzer in. Okay? Because I got in trouble about drinking, right? So I had to make a decision. Do I want to start doing the life I was doing before, or do I want to start a business outside where it's cold and hot? And I'm in Columbus, Ohio. The weather changes. I mean, we have 5 seasons in one day. I'm exaggerating a little bit, but yeah, 5 seasons. It'll be hot. It'll be cold. Then you'll see like hail on the windshield, and then you'll see like little snow flurries, and then all of a sudden the sun's out, and then I got all these customers in front of me. You know, so yeah. If you have any questions about anything on the channel or my videos, because I know I'm changing a lot of things that I'm doing, but I'm here for you. I can show you how to start a business, and we're going to make some fragrances soon, too. We're going to make some perfumes and toilettes. Like, I keep getting that question. I get it here. Some of the people I know, they don't want fragrances like that, but I hope that my video reaches all that it's meant to reach. I want to attract all who I could attract. Healthy, loyal, friendships.